everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about how to determine if your vehicle has a defective lower bolt joint. We recently picked up this Isuzu Rodeo and we're going to be doing videos about maintenance and doing minor repairs on this type of vehicle. So as I was checking everything out, I noticed that the right lower bolt joint is bad. If you're suspecting that one of your bolt joints in your vehicle is bad and you don't know how to check it, I'm going to show you how to check them. So let's get started. So to get started, you need to lift the front of the vehicle and place jack stands right here under the control arms. This is how you're going to be able to check the lower bolt joints. The upper ones are checked differently. You place the jack stand or jack in a different position. So right now, place it under here. And if you don't even have a clue where the bolt joints are or what they look like, this is the lower bolt joint right here. Right there. And we're going to check it. So once you have lifted the vehicle and you have placed jack stands under the control arms, you're going to need either a long pry bar or a long piece of metal like what I have, and you're going to put pressure on the tire, move it up and down like what I'm going to show you. So you're going to do that movement, and I'm going to bring the camera up close next to the bolt joint so you can see how the ball joint is moving, and it shouldn't. So look in here as I put pressure on the tire up and down. That movement that you're seeing is not normal. So the plate that you saw when I was moving the tire with this bar, that's not normal. And obviously this bolt joint is going to have to be replaced, which I'm going to replace both. And there you have it. That's as simple it is to inspect the lower bolt joints on a vehicle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.